Good morning, people. So, early Friday morning, man, watching this Breakfast Club interview with Coach Franklin about his mama basically lied to him about his biological father, man, which is fucked up. But it's Crunchberry morning, man. See the Crunchberries on deck. Nice bowl, man. Crunchberry morning, man. So, go and get some Crunchberries, bro. And get my day started, you heard? Frosty flake, but just Crunchberry morning, man. Nice little bit. You know. I don't know about y'all, but I like ice in my cereal. Gotta have ice in the cereal, man. The ice cream, you know. Got a lot of chicken and shit up in there. Just about three joints. About 3 joints. You know. Fuck with that too. But yeah. Milk, man. Get my milk together. Say, man, keep your fridge lit, man. Keep your fridge lit, fellas. Keep the damn fridge lit. You know what I'm saying? Keep your fridge lit, man. Keep the fridge lit, man. It's the milk I want right here. This is the only milk I use, man. Fair Life. Fair Life. You know. That look good, boy. That look good, man. So. Fair Life, man. Yeah, man, I'm getting my day started. So, y'all be easy, man. I'm out.